my name is Whitney Wiley and today I'm doing a pretty much full face of NYX makeup. So I tried to do a one brand makeup look today. This is the look that I achieved, and yeah, so let me show you. NYX actually sent over to me this giant package full of products. So I use pretty much everything in this package to create this look, and I also use some NYX makeup that I had myself. So if you'd like to see how to achieve this look, then please keep watching. Also, if you're new here to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please consider subscribing because I make videos on makeup, fashion, and even dupe videos, which I love to do. I have some of those coming up, so I'm really excited to share those with you guys. So make sure to like and subscribe down below, hit that little red button, and let's get started with this tutorial. Also, this lip is bomb. So if you want to see the combo I used to create this lip, keep watching. So I thought it'd be fun because I always get more requests for like drugstore makeup. So I thought that it'd be really cool if I did pretty much an all NYX makeup look. Granted, I don't think I have enough stuff here that I can do my entire face with NYX, but it's going to be majority NYX. And if I do have to supplement anything else into the makeup routine, then I will definitely just use things that are affordable, so it's still around that same price point. There is a ton of stuff in here. I'm so excited. Okay, and since this is gonna be like a first impressions, I'm testing everything out. I'm also going to use like my brushes that I normally use, so we can just see how the products work with like the brushes I normally use. So this is the Honey Do Me Up Primer, and it looks so cute. It reminds me a little bit of that like Farsali oil from Sephora, and it is very expensive. But I don't think this is oil. It has more of like a gel texture. So I'm gonna put this on as my base, but I will also go in with a pore filler too because I gotta fill some pores. Okay. Oh my God, this literally looks like honey. It's so goopy. What the heck? Ooh, it smells really good. It doesn't necessarily smell like honey. Maybe like honeysuckle. Okay, it's not sticky like honey, because that's what was concerning me. I'm like, I don't want sticky. Ooh, I like this. It smells very spa-like. It smells really good. Ah, yes. I have my NYX pore filler. So this is something I purchased myself a while ago. So I'm gonna just fill in my pores with the NYX pore filler. So skin is prepped now, going in with foundation. It didn't actually send me a foundation, so I'm gonna go in with my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I've used this for about a year. I'm actually almost out of it, but I'm gonna use this. I love this foundation. This is a great affordable foundation. Well, I haven't used this product for a while. It looks a little more yellow than my skin right now. We're just going into summer, so definitely looking dewy between this and the primer. So they sent me 2 concealers, but these shades are definitely gonna be too light for me. This is the HD Studio Concealer, and I've tried these before. These are obviously way too light, but I have a couple. So I have, I purchased these myself. The cap's off on one of them. I have both of these, which I think are gonna be a better fit. So I won't break into these quite yet. Maybe I can use this to highlight a little bit. I'll actually mix these two. I'm just gonna go in with this. I actually haven't used these concealers in a while as well, but they blend out really well. Let's go in for fun though with like one of the lighter ones. Okay, we'll go with the darker of the 2 that they gave me. We're gonna go with 5. They sent me 5 and 3. Just gonna put the inner corner of my eye and see if that just brightens it up a little bit. Ooh, I feel like this is like very illuminating. Oh, I kind of like that. I feel like it brought like a little bit of light to the inner corner of my eye. Okay. So next, I'm really excited to try this. This is the HD Finishing Powder. So it's in translucent. I'm praying it's pretty translucent. It doesn't really leave too much of a cast because this is pretty light for my tone, but I love to set my under eyes with translucent powders. I have to because I'll crease, and I always love finding a new drugstore one because the loose powders that I use from Sephora are kind of expensive. So it's looking like it's coming off pretty translucent. Oh yeah, there you go. And I actually don't mind it being a little lighter than my skin tone, just because it's just gonna keep that area nice and bright. So this is putting just a little bit of a lighter tone over my skin. So normally I take my translucent powder and go all over my face, but instead I'm going to just take I actually feel like I have a NYX powder. I knew I had a NYX powder from somewhere. Okay, so I have the NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation. I bought this myself. I don't use this all the time because it's actually it was coming off a little darker on my skin tone than I needed. So I'm just gonna go down the center of my face and set my face with this powder. Okay, so now they sent me the NYX Wonder Sticks. Yeah, these are definitely gonna be too light for me, but these are the highlight and contour sticks. So they sent me these two, and they sent me medium, tan, and universal. Obviously universal is not universal for me. So it comes like this, and you have your highlight and your contour. So this is the contour. That's obviously gonna be too light to contour for me, and this is the highlight stick. So let's just see for kicks and giggles what happens. Sometimes products come off like a little darker than they look in the packaging and you're like shocked. Okay, no, that's definitely way too light to be a contour for me. Okay, I know I said I would use drugstore, but I don't have any drugstore contour sticks. So I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty stick that I normally use to contour. Okay, I went back in with that super light concealer, the number 5, and highlighted down the bridge of my nose too to just make the contour pop a little more. So next, to move on to brows, they sent me 2 micro brow pencils. These are my favorite drugstore brow pencil. I love these. I used them for like 2 years straight, so I love these. They sent me in brunette and espresso, and I don't think I ever wore brunette, but I did wear espresso. So I think that was the darkest shade I wore actually. So I'm gonna start off with espresso. Actually, I'll start off with brunette. I'm gonna do brunette to outline and do like the front of my brows, and then the tips will be espresso, I think. Okay, so I love how these have the spoolie on the side. I'm gonna brush up and then begin filling in these caterpillars. Okay, so if you use these pencils, they definitely give you a very natural brow, which I love. But I'll usually go in with like a cream gel if I want to have a little bit darker brows. But if you're doing like an everyday makeup routine, I love these pencils to fill in your brows because it looks so natural. You can actually see like the little hairs. So I am going to finish up my brows. I'm gonna use the darkest of the 2 they gave me. I'm gonna use that to carve out my brows. So I'm just gonna put a little on my flat brush here and carve them out underneath. Okay, next it is time for eyeshadow. They sent me so many eyeshadow palettes. So they sent me 2 of these NYX Ultimate palettes. They sent me a multi-finish one with lots of colors. Look how pretty this is. They also sent me this little glitter kit, which is so cute. I'll be definitely using this. It comes with a glitter glue, and then it comes with 3 glitters. Yeah, a purple, rose gold, and a white iridescent. So here is this colorful palette first. The first NYX Ultimate. Whoa, these look pretty. Oh my gosh, let me just swatch these. This blue, it looks periwinkle on camera. It looks so cool. One matte, whoa. One satin, and then one sparkle. Whoa, look at these, you guys. This is the matte, this is the satin, and this is the sparkly. These are pretty. Oh my gosh, they're so pigmented. Holy cow. I kind of want to play with the green, but that doesn't really match my dress, the seafoam. Okay, and then this is the other NYX Ultimate. This is much more of an everyday palette. This looks like it is a cool tone matte. Yeah, it's very smoky. Yeah, there's a mix of shimmers and mattes, but look, this is pretty too. That green is like calling my name. Ooh. These are pretty as well. These are all so pigmented. And actually there's not really much fallout from the pan. Okay, then they sent me my all-time favorite palette at the moment. I want to say honestly in general. So I picked up the NYX I Love You Mochi palette and I used this in a video. And I bought this myself a while back and I bought it. This is in Sleek and Chic, shade Sleek and Chic. And look how abused this palette is. Like I have used it and abused it and I love this palette. Especially this little, oh my God, this shade right here in the middle. You can't really see how tangerine it is, but it's super. All right, guys, this is the final look and I love it. I think it turned out so good. I'm kind of digging like the seafoam green eyeshadow, which I don't typically do, but I think I'll be doing this again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, mostly one brand look. I had a lot of fun doing it and testing out a whole bunch of new products at one time. So if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And comment down below what product you like the most or which one you already have and use all the time. So let me know your thoughts and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.